What's up, you guys? This is Riley here with Learn With Me, and just showing off my swamp sunflowers this year. As you can see, they're just starting to bloom, but I kind of wanted to just go ahead and show them off while they already are starting to kind of show off their essence and beauty. I'm gonna go ahead and tag the video that I did last year, but I wanted you guys to kind of see some shots of the beauty that are unfolding this year too. I mean, check this out, you guys. How can you not appreciate the beauty that you see with this type of stuff? Check it out. I mean, these are absolutely beautiful flowers. Like I said, and like I do in most videos, I'm going to make sure to include like information on the screen as I'm doing these videos. I'm going to make sure to make videos and do commentary about this. Like in the description, you'll see some shorts that I do, some of it, some TikToks and stuff. But as you can see, like some of them still haven't bloomed yet, but like, isn't this glorious? It's just beautiful. It's the simple things, you guys. It really is just the simple things that you gotta appreciate about life. And it's some of the stuff that I've learned to appreciate about life as well. I mean, just check this stuff out, you guys. Like, isn't this beautiful? I mean, you just can't, you can't even make stuff like this up. It's such a glorious thing that just kind of, I know I keep saying the word glorious, but I don't know. It's hard to really find words to just properly describe how amazing some things are. And just look at this. Isn't it amazing, you guys? You guys never, just please comment and like and just let me know what you guys think when it comes to this type of stuff. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to try to kind of save posting this video for a while so I can get some more shots of these. But aren't these just beautiful? I mean, just look at just up close. I mean, you can't go wrong, you guys, with like growing plants like these. Plants that you can guarantee they'll come back every year. It's just beautiful. It really is. And that's one thing I love about the way that I like gardening is that I want gardening style practices that can kind of be easy and are kind of natural to my landscape. Maybe I can find, if I can't grow a specific type of plant in my area of the country, maybe I can find a breed or a type of one that can do better in my climate and that will still come back and or at least be easier than doing any other type of plant or stuff like that. But like I said, this is just a spectacle to behold. I love this stuff, you guys. Gardening is such a passion for me. And if I can find a way to kind of make more like time towards it, I think that will truly make me happy. I mean, this is just beautiful, you guys. I mean, you guys, I mean, let me know if there's anything that you guys want to see more of. You guys have any questions or anything about anything? I'm more than open to answering anything or doing videos on certain topics. Well, since the winter's coming soon, I'm gonna try to do more videos about like baking and just like preparation or and even doing some videos in my office where I kind of talk about what I've learned in the past when it comes to certain stuff that it's come to my gardening. But like I told you, like you really can't go wrong when it comes to growing plants like these. Is these plants are just amazing and immaculate.
Here's another shot of the flowers themselves. This is about a week after I took the first video. Aren't the flowers pretty lovely? This is another add-on to the longevity aspect of the flowers, where they will, once they bloom, they will legitimately stay in bloom and look fairly decent for uh, 2 to 3 weeks at minimum. And it just kind of makes a very beautiful like hedge, if that makes sense to anyone, in regards to just having just a beautiful section of your garden that just showcases these lovely flowers. Just this a nice little spring uh, of yellow, almost like sunshine in this particular area. As you can see here, I have them kind of just falling all over the place in this area of my yard, but I am contemplating like almost building up a trellis and kind of having them go up during that time. That way it can kind of be a bit more neat, but something about the natural way that they fall over just kind of, seems a little bit more appealing in that regard. But yeah, you guys, in case you guys don't know what my goal is with my garden, this is one of the best examples of that. Is that this is just a plant that does not take much effort, but is, like I said before, a powerful perennial where you can just kind of just leave it on its own and it will come back and it will take care of itself. Because sometimes as a gardener, you don't need a plant that you need to tend to 6 to 8 hours a day like a full-time job. Sometimes you just want a plant that you can just kind of take care of, and it just helps out the environment, and you guys can be almost friends. So you guys just enjoy gardening and try to find those type of plants whenever you can.
Well, you guys, uh, I'm gonna go back and kind of wrap this video up. Thank you guys for all your support as always. You guys are amazing people. I look forward to reading your comments about all this. It's my second year posting a swamp sunflower video. Please, if someone hasn't seen my first video, please go check that one out. I'm going to put it in the comments. I'm going to put any more information about swamp sunflowers in the comments as well. If you know somebody that's interested in these plants, please send them this video and send them that video as well. But otherwise, I'm just living my best plant life. So you guys continue to stay breezy, share my content, try to spread some more support on my other social media pages. And otherwise, like I said before, you guys stay breezy and don't forget to comment. Stay awesome.